Avramis River. In this video you will learn the clock reading, the White River signal, the alignment signal, the exit signal. The clock reading identifies the slope of the Blue River and shows us the instrument strength. A reading of 2 o'clock or higher signals to an uptrend with increasing strength as we reach 12 o'clock. A reading between 2 to 4 o'clock signals to a distribution phase, more volatile sideways market. A reading of 3 o'clock points to a slow, rangy market. A reading of 4 o'clock or lower signals to a downtrend with increasing strength as we reach 6 o'clock. In general, the clock reading identifies when a trend is strengthening or weakening. A bullish river signal is given when the following conditions are met. Condition 1. Price moves above Blue River. Condition 2. The brown and gold river separate, creating a gap known as the White River. The entry is activated above the recent high where the signal was generated or after a corrective wave. The stop loss can be placed below the Gold River. A bearish river signal is given when the following conditions are met. Condition 1. Price moves below Blue River. Condition 2. The brown and gold river separate, creating a gap known as the White River. The entry is activated below the recent low where the signal was generated or after a corrective wave. The stop loss can be placed above the Gold River. A bullish alignment signal is given when the following conditions are met. Condition 1. Strong uptrend identified by a bullish White River. Condition 2. A downwards corrective wave with a close inside the Blue or Brown River. Condition 3. A bullish reversal candle closing above the Blue River. The entry is activated above the recent high of the candle that generated the signal. The stop loss can be placed below the Brown River. A bearish alignment signal is given when the following conditions are met. Condition 1. Strong downtrend identified by a bearish White River. Condition 2. An upwards corrective wave with a close inside the Blue or Brown River. Condition 3. A bearish reversal candle closing below the Blue River. The entry is activated below the recent low of the candle that generated the signal. The stop loss can be placed above the Brown River. A bullish exit signal is given when the following conditions are met. Condition 1. Strong uptrend identified by a bullish White River. Condition 2. Clock angle turns from uptrend to neutral. The exit is activated below the low of the candle that generated the signal. A bearish exit signal is given when the following conditions are met. Condition 1. Strong downtrend identified by a bearish White River. Condition 2. Clock angle turns from downtrend to neutral. The exit is activated above the high of the candle that generated the signal. When a bullish river is identified, a green arrow appears below the candle generating the signal. More information about the signal can be found in the monitor panel by clicking the envelope on the left side of the panel. A bullish river suggests to new long positions and an exit to any remaining short positions. An entry could be placed above the recent high with a protective stop loss below the Gold River. The market continues higher and activates the previous entry. The uptrend is considered strong as long as the river and angle reading remain bullish. As the river loses its upward slope and the clock reading becomes neutral, a bullish exit signal is generated. More information can be found in the monitor panel. A bullish exit signals weakness in the uptrend and suggests to an exit of any remaining long positions. An exit could be executed below the low of the candle generating the signal. In a downwards move, a bearish river will be identified with a red arrow. Clicking on the envelope in the monitor panel brings up more information regarding the signal. A bearish river suggests to new short positions and an exit to any remaining long positions. An entry could be placed below the low of the candle, with a protective stop above the gold river. As the market continues lower, a new bearish alignment signal is generated. A bearish alignment signal suggests to new short positions. An entry level can be placed below the low of the candle, with a protective stop loss placed above the brown river. The downtrend is considered strong as long as the river and angle reading remain bearish. The monitor panel outlines all signals on the enabled timeframes. Timeframes can be activated or deactivated from the top of the monitor panel. More options can be found in the indicator settings. To access the indicator settings, right-click on the chart and select Indicator List. Select the Avramis River indicator and click on Properties. From the Inputs tab, you can adjust the parameters of the indicator. At the top of the list, the language of the indicator can be changed from the drop-down menu. The next option is to activate the scanner mode, which is available in the advanced version of the tool. Next, the time frames selected in the monitor panel can be adjusted. All 6 time frames that appear on the monitor panel can be adjusted to show the chosen time frame. Through the drop-down menu, you can select any time frame to show in the monitor panel. Furthermore, the dimensions of the monitor panel can be adjusted. From this option, the height and width of the panel can be changed along with the width of each column. Scrolling further down, indicator depth refers to the number of candles that the indicator appears on. With the input of 25, the river indicator will be visible across the last 25 candles. Signal duration refers to how many candles the signal arrow will continue to show after the signal has been generated. An input of 2 implies that 2 candles after the appearance of the signal, the arrow will be removed from the chart. Further down, the parameters of the river indicators can be adjusted, such as the periods used, the shift, and the color settings. Using the clock skin setting, different color clocks can be selected according to the background color being used. Through type of graph, the visualization of the river lines can be adjusted through the options of the drop-down menu. The most interesting thing, however, that you can do in the indicator settings is to enable the scanner mode at the top of the list. Closing the settings window will reload the monitor panel with the enabled scanner. When using the scanner mode, the indicator will scan through all securities that are visible in the Market Watch window on the left side and identify all active signals across the enabled timeframes. Clicking on the envelope next to any of the signals switches the chart to the time frame of the signal, with further information available in the monitor panel. Thank you for watching.